So bear with me. I'm just trying to get my camera right because it's steady trying to fall. So I'm trying to get it right. So I just got back, y'all. I had to leave out, handle some business early morning. Oh my God, please don't fall forward. I don't know why it looked like it want to fall forward. We ain't gonna jinx it though. Ah! I had to leave earlier, handle some business. I'm back in the house now. It's getting bad out again. So if anybody is up here in upstate New York or anywhere else around the world that they got all these storms happening, be safe out there. Be careful, y'all, because it's starting to get slippery out there as well. And the accumulation is starting to really happen. Okay, so if y'all out there on the roads, be very careful, especially getting home later on, because the accumulation gonna become more extreme later on in the day. So y'all be careful, okay? But it's your girl Chandra on Self Motivation Talk. We got a good one for you this beautiful morning. It's still the morning time. And get y'all stuff what you need. I got me a coffee from the bank because I had to go to the bank. Hope I don't get copywritten for showing them. Oh well. This is my bank though. I love them. Well, the one that I go to, because the other one I was going to, y'all, they was racist. I said what I said. It's so terrible how one place will be racist and the next place you go to, that's the same place, they're not racist. That's so ironic, you know what I'm saying? Because where I stay at, I go to the bank where I stay at, out where I stay, and they are very racist. So I had to go all the way to the city type of thing from where I stay at in order to go to a different bank, like the same bank but different people, to see if it was the same thing, if I was just tripping. And mind y'all, I wasn't tripping, y'all. They was really racist. I went to the other bank in the city and they took care of everything. I only got one car payment left, y'all, and a girl is done, okay? A girl is done with her car payments. That's on period, okay? It's been a long journey, y'all, several years, and we did it. Baby, we did it. For the people that thought I wasn't going to do it, you know who you are, baby. I did it. Stop playing with it, okay? Get what y'all need, okay? Let's make it. It's self-motivation talk. Chandra, let's go. We're back. I'm so happy to be here with y'all. I feel so good this morning. I told y'all about getting up in the morning and making it a great day no matter what. Jump your ass up. Throw that cold water on your face. Jump in a hot, not a hot, my bad. Jump in a cold shower if you need to, wake yourself up for real. Take that cold water and just throw it right on your face. I'm telling y'all, it will work. It will work. If I lived with you, I'd pour the water on you while you sleep. I bet half of y'all like, and then we're going to get up and beat your ass. Yeah, okay, come on, let's fight. Let's fight, bitch. But I'm playing, for real. For real. Get what y'all need. I hope y'all got what y'all need. I hope y'all doing wonderful. Some of y'all at work right now, so you can't really, get in tune with me right now. But when you get out of work, tune into the videos, whatnot. They're going to be up here. They're up here for you. Shout out to my day ones. You already know how we get it. Give it up. Shout out to my new subscribers, man. Y'all been rocking with me. I love y'all. I have a couple of new subscribers as well. Oh my gosh, little mama. I wanted to shout you out only because I can see her stuff. You know who you are, baby girl. You just subscribed to me. And I actually just subscribed to your channel too. So I told myself, I'm going to check your stuff out too. So keep uploading those videos, baby girl. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a damn thing, okay? You know who I'm talking to too. Because I subscribe to your channel too. So I'm going to be looking out for videos of you too now. You know what I'm saying? So we can support. I love supporting people, especially people that support me. People that see the vision in me. I'm damn sure going to see the vision in you. I'm damn sure going, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to pay respect where respect is due. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give credit where credit due. You know what I'm saying? So people that really support me and everything, and you got a channel or you got something that's going on, I'm going to click on your stuff too and see what's going on. And I'm going to support you too. That's just who I am. Now, I can't support the other people that subscribed recently because you have to have an account. So if you don't have a YouTube account, I can't add you. Like I can't look at your stuff or whatnot. So you have to have an account in order for me to be able to go on your channel or whatever and subscribe to your stuff too. So Shorty, she has a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna actually oh my God. Well, I don't really want to do that yet because I need her permission as far as putting her information as far as her YouTube channel on the bottom of my description box. So if y'all wanted to check her channel out too, she's a small up and coming YouTuber. I'm so excited. You know, I don't even know her, but I'm so excited. Keep doing those videos, keep uploading, keep posting, baby girl, man. Keep making noise, because that was your word of the day. Okay, y'all. And what's ironic? Why do you think I tell y'all I can't make this shit up? How I told y'all about make your own sunshine and the sun was shining yesterday? Look what I just said today. Look what I just said today. Keep making noise. Now, mind you, I didn't, expect for her to subscribe to my channel and all that different stuff, whatnot, and for me to be able to, correspond and say, keep making noise for her. You know what I'm saying? She's a small and upcoming YouTuber, whatnot. Keep making noise. Keep putting them videos out. You're going to have haters. And if you don't have haters and naysayers, you ain't popping. So you're going to have haters. You're going to have people that think they know what you're doing or think that you should do it this and that way. Fuck them. I said what I said. Okay? Keep doing your thing, mama. I'm going to be here to watch. Okay? But that was y'all word of the day, too. I got to it real quick. I didn't mean to blurt it out, but making noise. That was your word of the day, y'all. Making noise. Y'all better keep making noise. Y'all gonna have people that want y'all to shut the hell up. And I'm gonna need for you to tell them to get the hell out your face. And I need for you to keep making noise. Okay? Tell them get the hell out my face. Go on. Bye. See how simple that was, y'all? Bye. I had about 3 people unsubscribe from my channel, y'all. I don't know who they are. I really don't give a damn. Don't make me know, never mind. I keep saying that. But I had about 3 people that unsubscribed from me, which I always say is a great thing, because I don't need no Decepticons and no trolls on my shit. So for people to unsubscribe themselves without me having to block your ass, I keep saying, I appreciate that shit. I truly do. I appreciate that shit. So the 3 Decepticons that unsubscribe from me, thank you. I appreciate your honesty as far as not sitting there trying to troll and be nosy. Instead, unsubscribe. I appreciate that shit, okay? And the crazy thing about it, y'all, that's why I say keep doing your thing and keep making noise. And that manifestation is so real. Because after the 3 people unsubscribed, I kid y'all not, in the same second, I said, that's cool. I smiled. I laughed. I said, that's cool. That's all right. I said, you got to think. It's going to be like that. It's going to be like a yin-yang. It's going to be like a tug of war. Some people going to unsubscribe because they lose interest. And then some people you're going to have, where you're going to get that right back. And then tenfold. You know what I'm saying? Like the people that unsubscribe, you're going to get more than that. You know what I'm saying? So let's say 3 people unsubscribe from you. You're going to have 5, 6 people that subscribe to you. You get it? So basically forget them 3 people. They ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? They ain't nothing. It ain't gonna make friction. It ain't gonna cause no big movement or nothing like that. You still doing your thing. Still do your thing. There was a reason behind God removing those couple of people out of the circle. It's like a rotten apples. You know what I'm saying? 3 rotten apples in there. We got to get them apples out of there for the rest of the batch get nasty. You know what I'm saying? And that's how I felt. I felt like if those 3 bad apples stayed in the picture, stayed on my channel being nosy or whatever the case may be, it would have made the whole situation like, nah, I don't need that. Get y'all asses out. So I'm happy for that. But like I said, when in the same breath, I was like, that's all right. It's going to be double fold for that. Or I'm going to end up getting a little bit more subscribers from the ones that I lost. Guess what happened, y'all? Yesterday, I lost 3. Yesterday, I gained 4. That fast. See how fast that was? See when you are positive? See how fast that is? When you know what's for you, is going to always be sitting there for you. And the devil going to try to trick you like he just tried me yesterday. He just tried to trick me yesterday. Like, look, I got 3 people that unsubscribed from you. He want to discourage your ass. And honestly, I ain't trying to be funny, but it was a tiny bit of discouragement there. I was like, well, damn, what happened? 3 in a row? What happened? Shit, motherfuckers got butt hurt from what I was saying. The truth hurts. You don't like the truth, huh? But we all know that. We all know people hate the truth. They don't like the truth. So what'll happen is they'll be like, I'm tired of seeing this girl. Because every time, you got to think, if you're subscribed to me, you're going to get a notification every time, unless you didn't press the notification button for every time I upload a video, and if you didn't click the bell. But other than that, you're going to get a notification from me every time if you're subscribed to me. Every time I post a video, it's going to show you that I'm posting a video. So it could have been people that thought that I wasn't about to do the damn thing, that I wasn't going to stay persistent, consistent, or whatever the case may be. It was the people that thought I wasn't going to stay the course. I can tell y'all that right now. It's people that thought y'all wasn't going to stay the course. So they see you keep making videos. They see you keep putting shit out. They getting frustrated, y'all. I hate to say that. They're getting frustrated. That's why I say keep making noise. Keep doing your damn thing, man. These people are getting frustrated. And it's like, why even put your ass on my shit? You know what I'm saying? As many channels out here in the algorithm, why did you take your time out to subscribe to my shit? You know what I'm saying? Like, people be so weird. You know what I'm saying? Watch one video and see if you like it. Watch a couple videos and see if you like it. And then say, nah, I don't think this is for me. Cool. But don't subscribe first. And then you act butthurt or whatever the case may be. And then unsubscribe. Huh? I'm going to watch somebody's shit first before I subscribe to your shit. I'm going to at least watch about 4 or 5 videos. That's how I am. I'm going to watch a few videos before I say, you know what? Yeah, I like this person. I could resonate with this person. And then I'll subscribe to your stuff. So these people that subscribe to me, you obviously wasn't paying no attention to my videos. You just felt like, let me see what's going on. You just said, let me be nosy. And once you saw, oh, this girl, she ain't stopping. She keep on going. I don't want to see this shit. Yeah, because you don't want to face yourself, okay? You don't want to face your own life, your own shitty life. I said what I said. Go ahead and keep doing you. Get the fuck off my shit. That's cool. I love it. I keep telling y'all that. Tell these people, get out of my face. Bye. We don't need Decepticons this way. What's for you is going to always be waiting for you. This shit is for me. My prize, my reward is already waiting for me with my name on it. And I'll be damned anybody going to come in my way and try to discourage me. Get the fuck off my shit. That's what I tell a nigga. And I said what I said. At this point, I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. And every time I notice, every time I talk like this, that's when somebody unsubscribe from me. I notice that. Every time I start speaking that shit and I start speaking facts and realness, now you want to unsubscribe because you don't like to hear that. You don't like to hear the truth, man. Get your ass off my shit. You get it? There's a plethora of YouTube channels in the algorithm on YouTube that you can tune into. You got to be kidding me, man. I'm a small YouTuber. I'm a nobody right now. Ain't no way in hell. Get off my shit there. I'm a small YouTuber. I'm trying to make it up there. I'm trying to make it up there. Keep making noise, y'all, because I know I am. I know I am. This train gonna keep on rolling. I'm gonna keep choo-chooting. What you thought? And that should be loud. Just like how them ambulances go by with them loud ass sirens, bitch. I'm gonna keep on being loud. I'm gonna keep being loud. And if somebody don't like it, because I just was watching a channel yesterday, Shorty was like, I curse on my channel. She said it just like that. She said, she said, this is a disclaimer right now. Viewer discretion advised. She said, if you don't like somebody cursing and you butthurt or you feeling sensitive about little shit, this ain't for you. She said it just like that. She said, I'm giving you the opportunity to get off my channel right now. She said it just like that. She said, this is what I do. I'm not changing shit for nobody. What's for you is going to always be for you. People are trying to make it seem like, I don't like that. Well, obviously it's not for you. Go somewhere else. Go somewhere else where you are like that. You know what I'm saying? People, I don't like that. She cuss too much, or they do this, they do that. That means it's not for you then. I never understood people like me. If I go somewhere or if I'm tuning into something and I see that it's rubbing me the wrong way, it ain't for me then. That means tune out. Get out. Stop watching. Stop interacting. You get it? These people will still watch. They'll still interact over some shit that they claim they don't like. You claim you don't like it. You claim you ain't, you know what I'm saying? You got an issue with people that do shit like that or whatever the case may be. Excuse me, but these people still tune in. These people still give it friction. I don't get it. I don't get it. Something that I don't mess with, I'm not about to put nothing to it. I'm not about to put nothing to it. If I don't like that shit, I'm just about to get away from it. I don't like it. You get it? I'm not gonna keep watching something that's rubbing me the wrong way. I'm gonna tune out of it. I'm gonna get out of that shit. I'm gonna go to another video. I'm gonna go to another channel. Now I understand why people be clout chasing. I do. I understand it now. Because that's how you get movement. That's how you get movement. The trolls, the clowns out here, the ones that be doing the craziest shit on these platforms, whatnot. You see how many views they got. You see how many subscribers they got. You see how much movement they making as far as people tuning in. People like to see the bullshit. People love to see the drama and the bullshit, man. And they love it. They love it. They love to see y'all fighting on TV and shit. They love to see you screaming and yelling and your life look like it's fucking crumbling. They love that shit. You will have thousands of views in the Ks. 10K, 5K, all of that. Mind you, the only thing you did was fight on your channel. The only thing you did was curse somebody out on your channel. The only thing you did was go out in the world and you did a prank that ruined somebody's day on your channel. And you got like 5, 10K views off that shit, man. You got a plethora of people in your comment section just saying nothing. Talking shit or whatever the case may be, whatnot. But either way, you still getting your check. You still getting your views. And you laughing to the bank while everybody in the comment section trolling like a mug, man. But they helping you get your shit. They helping you live your life. They helping you take trips. They helping you eat good. You know what I'm saying? But the people that's trying to, put something out there that's going to help people in their mental capacity so you can be able to enjoy life. How the freak you going to enjoy life when your mental health is out of pocket? How you going to enjoy life? That's why I do these channels. That's why I do this shit right here. How am I going to enjoy life when my mental health is in shits? I can't enjoy shit. Even if I went on a vacation. Let's say I went to the Bahamas. Let's say I went somewhere to have a nice vacation. Yet instead I'm up here going like this. You get it? That ain't going to do me no good. If being in the Bahamas still, that ain't going to do me no justice. I'm still going to be fucked up in the Bahamas. You get it? I'm still going to be messed up. Hopefully don't end up out in jail in the Bahamas. You get it? Or dead. Dead. I'm saying it like that because it seems like, YouTube, they flag you for every goddamn thing. It seems like you can't say shit on this mother. But for real, man, keep making noise, y'all, because it seems like people out here, they don't want positive. People out here, they don't want you to be talking all like you got some sense, like you trying to, help people in a mental capacity, in their mental health. You trying to really be out here and telling people some real shit so they can really sit down and soak in it. They can really sit down and marinate on it and try to change their life a little bit. People don't want that shit, y'all. The masses, people in higher ups, higher places, they don't want to see your ass have a mind for yourself. They don't want to see your ass elevate for yourself. They don't want to see you going against the grain for yourself. What? Hell no. And being that they could shut your shit down with the click of a button, they gonna make it happen however way they see fit. They gonna look at it like, shit, well, we ain't gonna push her videos out like that. We ain't gonna push his videos out like that. Well, we'll put it out there a little bit, but we ain't gonna push it like that. Because you see, this is not our agenda. You get it? This is not on the agenda. They trying to make a whole nother agenda that goes against what we believe in, what we're trying to do. We can't have that. We can't have that. Why I think a lot of these people that do have platforms like me, I'm shocked that they have thousands of subscribers. I'm shocked that they making noise whatnot. As far as they got a lot of people tuning in, I'm shocked. And I can't wait to possibly talk to some of these other content creators that's doing the same thing that I'm doing and potentially get some insight on that. Like, how did you do it? How did you do it? How did you get people? How did you be able to get a community of people that could resonate with what you're saying, that understands what you're saying? I understand you never give up. But how long did it take? You got something, you know what I'm saying? How long did it take? Because for me personally, it's been about a year now that I've been doing these videos. But I haven't been consistent. This is the first time recently that I've been consistent every day on making a game plan. Monday through Friday, we make a video. Monday through Friday, every day. Weekends is like a job. Weekends, I take off. I take a break. But Monday through Friday, create my videos, open up my platforms for my phone calls to be able to have people come, connect with me if they want to connect with me. Just all type of different endeavors going on. I got other shit that's going on too, but I'm keeping my mouth shut on that. Because I keep trying to tell y'all, God don't want you to open your mouth so much. Okay? So I stopped opening up my mouth a long time ago. So I got a couple of things that I got going on. I'm so excited about. I'm ecstatic about, y'all. It's like a long time coming type of shit. You might as well say it's been a long time coming. But I know change gonna come. But for real, it's been a long time coming, y'all. And I feel like I deserve this. I deserve everything that's coming for me that's good. Y'all deserve every good thing that's coming for y'all. Y'all deserve every good thing that's already set in stone for you, man. It's already set in stone for y'all, man. I'm telling you, man. Y'all deserve that shit, man. And if anybody try to come at you and tell you otherwise, I need for y'all to repeat the words that comes out my mouth. Get the hell out my face. That's what I'm going to need for y'all to say. Get the hell out of here. Bye. Or you ain't got to say shit at all. Just walk away and ignore. You ain't got to say nothing. Just walk away and ignore. Plain and simple. Hell, I keep trying to remind y'all that the energy belongs to you. Remember this. The energy belongs to you. Get a sticky note. Write that shit down. Get a sticky note. Get a flashcard. Write that shit down. The energy belongs to me. Plain and simple. The energy belongs to me. My energy belongs to me. Matter of fact, don't say the energy because it could be anybody's energy. My energy belongs to me. My energy belongs to me. And I need for y'all to look at that every time somebody try to, I was going to say something. Every time somebody think that they're going to try to cross you over, I'm going to need for y'all to remember that sticky note. Remember that saying. Remember that the energy is yours. Remember that you can take that shit away whenever you see fit. Whenever you deem necessary. You could say, you know what? You gonna talk that shit to me like that? See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. See how simple that was, y'all? Because you know who you are. When y'all start to really understand the power that possesses and that you possess inside of you, straight up, man. When you start understanding that, like when I come into the room, I'm ringing bells. When I come into a room, I'm causing people to squirm in their seats. When I walk into a room, I cause everybody to be quiet. I cause everybody to be staring and looking all crazy in the face and shit and ain't got nothing to say. When y'all know when y'all know you are those kind of individuals to walk into a room and y'all got people shutting the hell up, they can't even say shit. Only thing they could do is look at you. Only thing they could do is look at your bright light coming through that room, man. It's like, I don't know if I don't even care whatnot. That's on y'all, but I believe in spirits. I believe in entities. How you say it? Ghost, so to speak. I believe in that. Yes, I do. I believe in the spirit realm. And I believe that they coincide with the physical realm. They side by side, y'all. They side by side. I'm telling y'all that right now. Side by side. Why you think before anything happens to you, what happens? Boom, you swerve from that potential accident. Boom, you was at the right place at the right time when, if you was at that place at that time when you were supposed to be, you could have got into, a situation like how everybody else is in that situation of, potential pum shots being over there or whatever the case may be. And you could have been in that same spot, but you happen to be over there. The spirit realm is side by side. Y'all know how many times I almost got into an accident and out of nowhere, boom, I swerved so fast I couldn't even think to myself, how did I do that? And that happened all my life, might as well say, since I started driving several years ago, over 7 years ago. When I first started getting on the road, y'all know how many accidents I could have been in. But I always tell my kids as well, once you learn how to drive and everything and whatnot, you're going to have to be the eyes for everybody. You're going to have to be the eyes. See, a lot of people that I used to ride with, they used to be like, well, they supposed to stop. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Just because you think they supposed to stop, that means you keep going and kill us all? Because, they supposed to. But they didn't do it. That means you supposed to think for them. Yo, I used to really argue with somebody that used to do that to me all the time. I used to be like, yo, you ain't going to stop? Well, they supposed to. What? So you're going to allow the crash to happen because they supposed to. Mind you, you had the capacity to swerve or prevent the accident, but you're looking at it like, I'm in the right. Huh? I can't ride with people like that, man. If you don't stay vigilant and you don't keep your head on a swivel and you don't, keep it to where you can prevent the accident. There's been plenty of times that I could have just stayed and well, they're in the wrong. Boom. No. I see you coming. I'm going to stay vigilant. I'm going to be the smart one and whoop, let me get out your goddamn way because you a little slow. You a little dense. So let me do the moving. Let me do the maneuvering. Let me get the freak out the way. I'm not going to be the type to say, well, yeah, let me get hit. Boom. No, because you don't know if you're going to survive that hit while you're trying to get paid. I got a fragile little body. I don't know about nobody else. I'm 120 pounds soaking wet. I might look like I got some weight on me, but it's the clothes, y'all. Don't let it fool you. It's the clothes. A girl ain't got too much meat on her bone. Okay? Your girl ain't got too much meat on her bone. Don't let it fool you. One little accident, I might be gone. I rebuke that in the name of Jesus, amen. Okay? I need for y'all to keep making that noise, though. Keep making that noise, though. You know how many people hate me right now? Do y'all not know how many people hate y'all right now for making noise? How many people despise y'all? How they look at y'all and really in their mind, they like, shut the hell up. In their mind, they like, get the hell out. Like, what are you doing? You don't even look right. They saying all type of shit to themselves. They losing their minds right now, watching y'all ass. And you guess what? Keep making that noise. Keep getting them upset. Keep getting them upset. Keep making that noise. Listen, y'all. I'm the type of person, I used to be so shy. I'm telling y'all right now. I was so shy and timid. When I tell y'all, I would walk into a room, head down, barely looking up, barely breathing. I'm barely breathing. I'm walking in the room like, trying to hide. You know what I'm saying? Trying to be in a corner where nobody will recognize my ass. I'm trying to dumb myself down all the time. My whole life, I tried to dumb myself down. Like, ooh, I told y'all that already. Until I started realizing, child, are you stupid or are you stupid? I had to tell myself that. Straight up, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I had to beat myself up a little bit. And tell myself, child, you stupid, you dumb. I had to curse myself out. I did, y'all. I had to curse myself out. Like, child, girl, stupid, what? What? Because when you know better, you do better, child. And I had to tell myself that. I was looking at myself in the mirror, just like how I'm looking in this camera, y'all. I was looking at myself in the mirror like, child, are you stupid or are you stupid? You better get your shit together. You better get your shit together. You better get your stuff together. It's either do or die. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Do or die. This is it, man. This is it. I'm telling y'all, man. Ain't nobody gonna look at you funny, man, when you opening up and you showing people your strength, man. The people that you knew, they gonna look at you funny because they gonna know this version of you. They gonna know that version of you. So they gonna look at you funny because these are the same people that still look at you as the little dog, the underdog. I don't care if you 50, 60, 70 years old. They still gonna look at you as the underdog. You the underdog. You the baby still. You get it? They don't look at you like, oh, the baby got strength. The baby got boundaries. They got stature. They got courage. They shocked. They shocked. Because they couldn't imagine it would be you. They could not imagine, y'all, that it would be y'all. Straight up. They was looking like, well, damn, I would have thought it would have been blah, blah. Whoever else that they saw some strength in. I thought it was going to be them. They were looking at you like, you never had nothing in you that would correspond with what the hell you doing right now. So how you? Why you? You never gave any kind of clue or idea or that this was inside of you. So how were you chosen? How out of nowhere you got knowledge that surpasses all understanding out of nowhere? How? Mind y'all, these people, they talking like that, but they not understanding that you've been had these things inside of you. You've been had these gifts inside of you. You just was, like I said before, you was dumbing yourself down for society. You were dumbing yourself down. You were trying not to look like you too bright to be around people. I didn't like to feel like I was up here and people down here. I didn't like to feel like that, y'all. Mind you, we didn't even know that. It was just when we walked into a room, people felt squirmish. They felt like, it's something about this fool or whatever. It's something about this person that, is just making me not feel so right. It's making me feel like I'm not doing enough or I'm not enough. I don't be wanting to let people feel like that, make people feel like that. No, hell no. Why I used to walk into the proximity of people, honestly, y'all, and I used to act stupid just to show them I'm human too. I'm not perfect. You know what I'm saying? Look at me, dummy. I used to act stupid just to show people I'm not perfect neither. Because they used to think a bitch was perfect, y'all. I had to tell somebody that recently, like, yo, I'm not perfect, man. I got mad with that person. I said, I'm not perfect, man. For you to sit up there and think I'm perfect, man, hell nah, man. I'm not going to sit up here and try to fake this facade of acting like I'm so great, I'm so nice, I'm so happy. I ain't about to do that shit. I got my days too. I have my days too. We all do. We all have our days. Yeah, a lot of the times I do present myself as being, happy, prosperous, because I have to bask in that vibration in order for it to come into fruition, in order for it to come into reality. Like how they say, fake it till you make it. They didn't lie about that shit, y'all. And it's honestly a metaphor in a sense. Fake it till you make it. Why do you think a lot of these people on the gram, on the internet, social media platforms, y'all think they really living these lives? It ain't nothing for me to go to a dealership, pay a nice fee or whatnot. Not even. I could test drive the bitch for free. A lot of places y'all can go to, car dealerships and all of that, and you can test drive these cars. It ain't nothing for a mug to be recording while you're test driving a whip, acting like you about to purchase that shit. It ain't nothing to lie, man. It ain't nothing to go in front of an airplane, whatnot, with a nice ass luggage, whatnot, nice outfit and shit, and take a picture by the plane acting like you taking trips. It ain't nothing to do this shit, man. It's nothing. I can go to the airport whenever it get nice out. I can go to the fucking airport, staying at the airport, and just literally take pictures looking around the airport like, yeah, it's about to get on this plane, and I ain't getting on shit. Mind you, I know how to do that type of stuff. I know how to fake shit. I know how. Straight up. I told y'all I'm a real ass female. I can't fake no funk. I can't fake no shit. I know how to fake it till I make it like I don't know what, man. I know how to make shit look so real, look so good, where people thinking, yo, this girl really doing her damn thing. And I ain't getting not paid, not a dollar. Struggling just like the next. But I make that shit look grandiose. Because when you sit and soak into the vibration of what it is that you're trying to get to anyway, you're going to get to that shit. The universe eventually is going to align to that. So yeah, you faking a funk of acting like you taking trips and everything, whatnot. You faking a funk, acting like you getting bread, really is prop money or whatever the case may be. Before you know it, the faking that you're doing, the universe is going to align you into what you faking. I can't make this shit up. But we ain't saying to be a nasty, conniving, evil person, because you get, you know what I'm saying? The universe still going to give you what you dished out. You know what I'm saying? The karma still going to give you what you dished out, okay? So, but if you a good individual, like as far as you just trying to do the right thing, you ain't trying to get nobody way, you ain't trying to snake nobody, you ain't trying to slime on nobody, you ain't trying to do none of this shit. You just trying to stay out the way and do the right thing for yourself and your family and whatever. But at the same time, you ain't really being truthful with what you showing the public. You know what I'm saying? The universe will still work with you. Dead ass. The universe will work with you where as long as you stay in alignment with what you're doing and you ain't hurting nobody, before you know it, you really gonna start getting them checks. Before you know it, you really gonna start planning trips for real. And you're gonna be like, yo, this really happening for me. I'm really planning a trip. Yo, I used to fake this shit and I'm really planning a trip for real. Let me give y'all an example. I used to fake the pregnancy when I was younger. Dead ass. Like when I was with my daughter's father, I used to fake the pregnancy at first. Like every time we thought we was pregnant, I used to be like, oh, I'm pregnant. And I wasn't pregnant, y'all. And yeah, I was a piece of shit back then. Yeah. Nobody's perfect. That's why I'm on here telling y'all my truth. Yeah. I faked that shit. I did. I was like, yeah, I'm pregnant. And he thought I was pregnant. It got to the point where I couldn't lie no more because he's going to want to see the belly. So I used to purposely get full, drink a bunch of water, whatever I could to have a big belly. Looked like I was really pregnant, but I was full. I was bloated. Let me tell y'all, I lied for so long about that pregnancy that I really got pregnant. In fact, I think I made up the lie for like 3 months. 4 months, a good 3 months, 4 months, maybe 3. I told him that I was pregnant, and I kept the lie up for like 3 months. But then I'm like, damn, eventually he's gonna want to see a pudge. By the time that 4th, 5th month come, that's when I was like, freak, y'all. While I was pretending I was pregnant, we were still trying to make a baby. While I pretended I was pregnant. Not like as far as not make a baby, but we were still having intercourse. Okay. We were still having intercourse. He thought that I was pregnant already, though, while we were still having intercourse. Now, mind you, I'm not, but I'm thinking to myself, if we keep doing this, I'll probably pop up pregnant, though. You know what I'm saying? Where I don't have to tell him I'm not. Y'all, I kid y'all not. I popped up pregnant. So basically, I say that to say this. When you're telling a fib for so long or whatever the case may be, why do you think people say when you lie long enough, you start believing your own lies? That shit can't be made up, man. When you lie long enough, you start believing your own lies. Okay? I lied so long about that pregnancy, y'all. I started really believing I might end up pregnant. And I did. 3 months after. About that 4th month, I found out I was pregnant. So it wasn't even no point in telling him I lied. Because I'm really pregnant now. I was really pregnant. But look how that happened. Look how I kept fibbing. I kept lying. I kept saying I am. And I said it so much to where the universe gave me exactly what it was. You keep asking, you keep saying I'm pregnant. That's what the universe gave me. Gave me that baby. Gave me my daughter. Keep making noise, y'all. Keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. People gonna look at you. They gonna talk shit. They gonna look at you like, why you keep doing what you're doing? You should stop. You know, why are you doing it? Da, 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 da. When honestly, y'all, they're asking questions to shit that is self-explanatory. They're asking questions to shit that you don't even gotta explain. You should know why I'm doing this shit. It's self-explanatory. Matter of fact, it says it in the bio on top of the YouTube channels, on top of anybody's channel. It has a description thing or whatever where it says what is the channel based on, what is it about. So if you got to ask a person, what are you doing? What is this supposed to do for people? Da, 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 da. Learn how to read. Learn how to read. Do some research. Do some looking, and then you'll be able to answer your own question. That's how I do people. You'll be able to answer your own question. Until further notice, keep making noise. Keep making noise, y'all. I know people hate me. I know people hate me deep inside. I know people talk shit about me deep inside. And obviously, I'm not doing nothing right if I'm not getting talked about. If I'm not having people feeling some kind of way about what I'm doing and who I am and me staying away from the fake shit. If anybody feels some kind of way about y'all and what y'all got going on, you doing the right thing. Y'all doing the right thing. If y'all got people that feel some kind of way about what you got going on and y'all ain't hurting nobody. Y'all not disturbing the peace. Y'all not doing shit. You're minding your business that's paying you. But you still got people that's feeling some kind of way. Yo, I watched a video yesterday because that's all I do is I literally watch videos a lot to be able to help with healing as well, whatnot. Because there's certain people that help with my healing as far as their content and everything, whatnot. Down the line, I'll shout them out as well as far as the people that been helping me. But also, I hate to say it, I don't want to shout them out. Not to say it in a bad way, but you got some people that are trying to copy you too much. Next thing you know, they trying to dig and dabble into, what they got going on to think and see like how your mind is and how you then try to flip it and make it seem like, oh, you're working for the devil or that. That's why sometimes you just, keep certain things to yourself. Keep certain stuff to yourself. Everything doesn't have to be corresponding with the devil. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody serving him at all when you're just trying to give love and light and peace to the world, which is something that Satan is frowned upon. He don't like that shit. He don't like peace. He don't like love. He don't like happiness. He don't like sunshines and sun rays. He don't like that shit. He likes shadows. He likes darkness. He likes evil. He likes disgustingness. He don't like flower smell. He likes sulfur smell. Okay? Fart smell. Shit smell. Nasty stuff. He don't like anything of goodness. So when people say that shit to y'all, look at them. Don't look at yourself, because question yourself. Tell yourself, do Satan love anything of goodness? No, he don't. He don't like nothing of goodness. So with y'all operating in nothing but love and goodness, we already know these Decepticons trying to fool your mind. You already know they're trying to fool your mind. You know who you are. You know who you are. You know you're the table. You know you bring nothing but love and light to the world and to the people that you connect with. You know this. Don't you dare sell yourself short thinking, oh, am I doing something wrong? Hell no, you're not. Hell no, you're not. It never was. These people are fools. These people were the Decepticons. These people were the ones that didn't know how to, love themselves enough to not accept negative shit in their life. Okay? Because if you loved yourself enough, you wouldn't accept it. I'm just saying. I love myself enough to the point where I'm not accepting shit negative no more. You could be the ones that I love the most. If you're negative, I'm not about to be around that ass. I said what I said. I'm not about to be around that shit. If you negative, I will not be around you. No, I won't. And I don't have to be. And I need for y'all to understand that too. You don't have to be, man. Stop letting these people, make you, manipulate you into thinking, well, you wrong, or well, God this, or well, da 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 da. Nah. You've done all you can. Ain't no way in hell that these people could come at you and tell you otherwise. Y'all already did enough. You overdid it. Somebody said overtime. You overtime that shit, man. You did overtime. Not only did you finish your job already, you asked for overtime. And you got your overtime. It's over now. Work over. Job done. Time to go home. We did our overtime. It's done. And that's exactly how I feel. Y'all did y'all overtime. Don't let these people come back into your life and try to steer you in the direction of thinking, oh, well, give us some more of your time. I don't think so. Give us some more of your time. We didn't get enough. Or this and that and a third. Just making up some type of excuse to get back into your energy and your good grace. To get back into your energy and your good grace. Because that's all it is. I don't think so. You can forgive, but move on. I've been forgave everybody in my life for any ill-willed intentions. For any stuff that was played upon me. All the confusion, all the disruption, all of the not even codependency, all of the projection. Because a lot of y'all got into your own space and realized that you were being projected on all your life. Because all of those nasty emotions, they never were yours, as you can see. Y'all done separated yourselves. Once y'all separated yourselves, y'all saw it for yourself. That shit wasn't mine. I'm not even angry no more. Depression faded away. Anxiety never was there. What the hell going on? Exactly. That's what I'm going through, y'all. I can't explain to y'all. Depression gone. As if it never was there. That shit disappeared, y'all. That's how you know mental health is real, but it's also a facade as far as people would try to nitpick you and throw pills down your fucking throat. And I said what I said. Pharmacies, doctors, they would try to throw pills down your throat and make it seem like you have an issue. And really, no, ain't nothing with you. It's not nothing with y'all, man. It's not. And it's actually scary. It's quite scary. It's very scary, y'all. I'm honestly scared to even be on here telling y'all this shit, real talk. I'm scared to even say it. It never was y'all, man. These people got to get paid, man. These therapists, these doctors, these pharmacies, they got to get paid. They got to get a paycheck too, y'all. That depression wasn't never yours. That anxiety wasn't never yours, man. I'm telling y'all, yo. I was depressed all my life, so to speak. I was anxious. I told you I sweated all the way down to my belly button. I used to sweat down to my belly button. I was in high school having to take shirts and go like this, just to hide the sweat and go like this, and hide and wait in the back of the classroom for everybody to leave, and then I'm getting up and leaving. Because I didn't want nobody to see the sweat that went all the way down to my belly button. Damn it. I had to go like this. I'm walking like this. I'm cutting shirts to look like beaters in order for people to not laugh at me and say, you musty. Because that's what they call it. You know what I'm saying? When you're sweating, it's an automatic musty. You get it? You don't have to just have high perspiration and still be, smelling good like fresh deodorant. You got to be musty. We're talking about kids, y'all. Kids they ain't got no filter. They don't give a damn. Not only that, they damn sure don't understand the difference between perspiration and smelling clean and musty, and sweat that's must, sweat that's probably a stress sweat, and all those different things, because different kind of sweats has different kind of smells. Stress sweat, if you're stressing and you sweating, you're gonna be musty. But if you just have hyperhidrosis, if you have a condition that makes you have high perspiration and sweat, you ain't gonna be musty with that unless you ain't putting on deodorant and washing your ass. Okay? But kids is gonna be cruel. They don't understand. So hey, that's how they going. There's the way I just explained to y'all, a kid is gonna go straight one after the other. They don't give a damn about that shit until it happens to them. Now they want people to understand their ass. Okay? I can't make this shit up, y'all. Keep making noise. People gonna sit up there and talk they mess. It is what it is, y'all. Who gives a damn? Who gives a damn? Okay? I used to have so many people talk shit and I cared. Now that I don't give a damn, I ain't got nobody around, y'all. Because people want you to give a damn. People want you to chase them. People want you to shut the hell up when they say shut the hell up. People want you to do what they want you to do. Straight up. And when you don't do what they want you to do and you go against the grain on doing what they want you to do, now you're frowned upon. Now you're frowned upon. Now you're shunned. Okay? Now you're blackballed. Now people don't want to mess with you no more. They don't want to talk to you no more. They want to mess with you no more. Nothing. Because they looking at it like you won't obey. You just won't obey. You just won't listen. You just won't stay your ass in line. Because that's all it is. That's all it is. It's basically shut your mouth and stay in order. I said what I said. Shut your mouth and stay in order. Stay in line. And don't you dare try to do anything different than what we already got going on. Okay? I'm just telling y'all what this shit is about. See, because I just watched another video yesterday also about people making it look some kind of way. Like it got to look like this. It got to look like that. It's going to look just like how it look right now, what I'm showing y'all. Somebody that don't look like they supposed to have the kind of knowledge. That's what it's going to look like. Get used to it. Get used to people coming at the forefront of y'all where it's going to look like it's like mashed potatoes, mush, slime. It ain't going to have no kind of, what's the name to it? It's going to be dense. It's not going to have no volume to it. That's what I meant to say. I'm about to go, y'all. I'm almost in 50 minutes on this video. I love y'all. Stay prayed up with the Most High. Whoever you call your source, your creator, the one that's helping you see it through, and that's helping you make it to your promised land, baby. Because it too shall come. Don't think for 1 second it's not. It too shall come and it too shall pass for all the negative bullshit that's been happening in your life. And if it's still happening right now, like I said, this too shall pass. It's cold outside, y'all. But the sun trying to come out again. After I just said this too shall pass. I can't make this shit up. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Share these videos. And until next time, I'll see y'all. Like I said before, I'm going to have these phone lines open 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. The link will be in the bottom of the description box. If you want to chit chat with your girl for a small fee, if you want to support your girl, I appreciate it. I highly do. I will have those phone lines open from 4 to 8. And what else was I going to say? Oh, yeah. I'm going to also just throw in a video of some nails in there that I just created, y'all. Y'all know that I like creating my little nails. And sometimes I just throw that in there just to throw it in there, you know. But yeah, find y'all a hobby. Do y'all something that y'all like to do to pass the time or whatever the case may be to keep your mind at bay as well. So I'm going to put that in there as well. So until next time, I'll see y'all. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. Stay sucker free as well. Stay out the way. If it's negative, that means it ain't for you. Walk away. Peace out.